Vikings! Welcome back to another episode of MVTV.
Hey Vikings, get ready because ASB season is right around the corner. If you've been thinking about stepping up, showing your school spirit, and making a difference on campus, this is your moment. ASB fall candidate petitions are due May 12th. Don't miss your chance to run. Grab your petitions, get those signatures, and turn it in on time. And get excited because fall ASB campaign week is coming soon. That means posters, speeches, and lots of school spirit as candidates campaign for your vote. Also, let's take a moment to recognize the amazing people who keep our school running every day. Classified School Employee Week is May 18th through May 22nd. Be sure to show your appreciation to our incredible staff members who work behind the scenes to support us all. That's all from me, Vikings. See you guys next time.
Hey Vikings, here are your weekly staff announcements. First up, VHS GSA is hosting Pride Week next week. Listen to the morning announcements each day this week for more info about that day's lunchtime activity. And now, we're going to continue our weekly announcements about the LGBTQ+ community during May. Today, we'll address the question, why is it important to be respectful of people's gender and pronoun preferences? Diverse gender identities and gender expressions have been more widely accepted and positively acknowledged in society in recent years. Here are a few reasons why we should be respectful of people's gender and pronouns. Gender identity and gender expression are two different things and are expressed differently, which is why one reason you should never assume someone's gender. Gender expression is how you express yourself through your appearance, your dress, and behavior, while gender identity is the gender you identify as. Since gender is diverse, it's important to be mindful of how people identify. One way to do this is to ask people which pronouns they prefer. This makes people feel included and respected. If you aren't comfortable asking for a person's pronouns and you don't know their gender identity, you can use they/them pronouns to ensure they feel included. Another way to show support for diverse gender identities is to include your own pronouns in your email signature or in your social media profiles. Most people add their pronouns after their name. Want to know more about gender and pronouns? Check out their Linktree with this link and QR code on screen. That's it from me this week, Vikings. Stay tuned next time for more important info about The View.
Welcome back, Vikings. This month is all about mental health and wellness. Join us May 11th through the 15th for Mental Health Awareness Spirit Week with daily activities. Don't forget our new t-shirt launch on May 15th. Then on May 19th, check out the Mental Health Resources Fair to learn more about ways to support your well-being. Make sure to get involved and take care of yourself. That's it for this week, Vikings.
What's up, Vikings? Here's your weekly update on sports across the View. Mountain View athletes, if you need a physical, El Monte High School will be hosting physicals on campus starting on Thursday, May 14th. Scan the QR code on the flyer to sign up, but also be sure to pick up a permission slip from the activities office. Also, sideline cheer trials are almost here. Clinics will be from May 12th to May 14th at 6 p.m. in the gym, and the tryout day will take place on May 15th in the cafetorium. You must be cleared in order to try out, so please go to the activities office if you have any further questions. Next, girls volleyball will be hosting tryouts from May 18th through May 22nd, each from 3:30 until 6:30 at the gym. Again, be sure you are cleared in order to try out. Finally, cross country will be having a meeting for those interested in joining next season. The meeting will be held at the Viking Stadium on May 18th at 4 o'clock. That's all for this week, Vikings. See you guys next time.
Hey Vikings, today's song recommendation is Smooth by Santana.
Change my life to better suit your mood. 'Cause you're so smooth.
This song was released in 1999 and Rob Thomas was the featured artist. The genre is Latin, alternative, and classic rock. This song was also featured in the movie documentary called Clive Davis, The Soundtrack of Our Lives. That's all for me for this week, Vikings.
Hey Vikings, today's game is Pragmata. It is a futuristic sci-fi action-adventure game developed by Capcom that follows an astronaut and a mysterious young girl as they attempt to survive and escape the damaged lunar research station. Set in a visually stunning world filled with advanced technology, artificial intelligence, and strange dangers, the game combines exploration, puzzle solving, and an intense combat with the cinematic story focused on the bond between its two main characters. Its mysterious atmosphere and emotional tone make it one of Capcom's most anticipated modern titles. That's it for me, Vikings.
Hey Vikings, for this week we have the TV show based on the video game Fallout. Fallout follows 3 characters navigating a retro-futuristic, post-apocalyptic Los Angeles 219 years after nuclear annihilation. Lucy, Maximus, and the Ghoul search for a missing researcher holding a secret that could change the wasteland. That's all for this week, Vikings.
Hey Vikings, this week's movie is Michael. The movie follows Michael Jackson from his childhood as the standout star of Jackson 5, showing how strict and sometimes abusive father pushed him and his brothers into the spotlight. As he grows up, the film focuses on his struggle to become his own artist, break away from family control, and create his unique style. It highlights major milestones in his career like the success albums such as Thriller and his rise to global fame, while also showing the pressure and loneliness that came with fame. That's all for me, Vikings. See you guys next time.
Hello Vikings, this week's recipe is chocolate chip muffins. This recipe is very beginner friendly, so I would try it out. If you're interested, scan the QR code. But that's it for me, Vikings. Enjoy.
Hi Vikings, last week's poll results are 62% would rather watch a horror movie and 38% would rather watch a comedy. The new poll for this week is, would you rather live under the sea or in space? Vote on our Instagram page at MVHS Vista or scan this QR code. I'll see you next week. Bye!
I hope you enjoyed!